Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you what is interface in object-oriented programming. In this tutorial, I'll be using Dart programming language. You can use any language that you prefer as long as it supports object and class. To understand interface, you should first know what is class and object. If you are not familiar with class and object, feel free to check out the class and object tutorial in this playlist. Now I will create two classes. One is car and another one is Tesla. Now I will create two methods in the car class. One is drive and one is stop. And both methods will print out different text. Now we want to make the car class to act as an interface to the Tesla class. We implement interface by adding the implements keyword and followed by the class name. After we add the implements keyword, as you can see, it shows an error saying that we are missing some implementation on the two methods. Any class that implements another class as an interface is required to override every method that the interface class have. And override means that the method name have to be the same as well. So in the Tesla class, I will create two methods which has the same name as the car class and they will print out different text. When you use the implements keyword, the compiler will automatically knows that the function will override the implemented class function. So you don't have to add the add override notation above the method. Now I'll be creating an object from the Tesla class and call the two methods. When I run the code, as you can see, the vehicle A object executed the overridden method. And this is interface in object-oriented programming. This is a very powerful concept in object-oriented programming because you don't have to create different naming methods for each and every of your class that do the same thing. For example, if now I wanted to create a new class called Honda, which have the same drive and stop method, I can implement the car class and just override the function instead of creating a new naming for the method. Here comes to the end of this tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. See you in the next tutorial.